Hey everyone, it's Hursh. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review of a fairly new product. It's the Stila Eye for Elegance liquid eyeshadow set. It just looks like this. It includes 3 deluxe glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows, dazzling and ultra sparkle finish, and the shades are Peachy Sheen, Smoldering Satin, and Next to Naughty, which are these ones, the one that are a lot more glittery, and the other 3 are Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows, new high shimmer non-glitter shadows launching in the spring, Kitten, Grace, and Twig, which are these ones. They do have more shades and they do sell them individually. This is just a holiday set that they came out with, and I received it as like a Christmas gift / birthday gift. And that's why I wanted to do a review on it, because a lot of people have been talking about it, and so I thought I would talk about what I think about it, my own opinion. I did do a look on it, and I did film it, like a mini eye tutorial to include in this video, because I'm going to do like a wear test, and I'm going to do like some final thoughts at the end of this video, and tell you what I thought about it and how it wore out throughout the day. So I'm just going to start off with some swatches, and I'm going to start with the shimmer and glow ones. First one is Kitten. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. The second is Grace. It's more of like a bronze, whereas Kitten is like, has like a pinky sheen to it. Third one is Twig. That one's way darker. It's like a copper, like a dark copper. So those are the swatches for the shimmer and glow. Very pigmented. I'm very impressed. I did do a look with, I believe I used Kitten, which is the first one there. And I will say they do wear very well throughout the day. I will say they do wear like the foil shadows if you've used, they're not like glittery, but like the ones that I'm wearing on my eyes today. But they give you this kind of finish, like a shimmer. This is like beyond pigmented than that, like wow. Okay, I'm gonna swatch the next ones. They're the glitter and glow ones. First one is Peachy Sheen. The second shade is Smoldering Satin, which I'm wearing on my eyes today, and you'll see me use it in the tutorial. The third one is Next to Naughty, which is this reddish shimmer, or glitter I should say. I'm pretty sure Lindsay Rem, if you watch her on YouTube, I watch her videos, and she did a tutorial with the Next to Naughty one just recently, and I loved it, so I'll probably link down that below because that was really nice. Those are the swatches. Very, very pigmented. They don't have like that base color that the shimmer ones do, just because that's what they're trying to achieve. They want more of a glitter finish than this shimmer finish over here. I love it, and that's the one I used on my eyes. Alright, so I already have my face makeup done. So for the look, I'm keeping it very simple because I just want to know how the Stila eyeshadows wear throughout the day. So I'm gonna just take a couple of colors from the Morphe palette. I'm gonna take some light brown shades in like my entire crease, and then I'm gonna go in with like a dark brown for just the outer, and then that's all I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna go in with one of the shades. I'm thinking of doing Smoldering Satin for the lid from the glitter and glow, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just going to take the light brown shade and have it like all over the face. Now I'm just going to go in with a darker brown and just keep it on the outer corner. So I already talked about how the shimmer ones wear, so that's why I want to try out the glitter one. This one is Smoldering Satin, like I said before. It just looks like that. And I'm just going to put that like basically the whole lid, keeping off like the outer end, because that's where I put the dark shadow. And then when I put it on, you're gonna see that I'm just gonna blend it out slightly, so there's no like harsh lines of the shimmer and then the crease shadows. So it just comes with a wand, like I showed before. So I've applied it and I've let it dry like halfway before I go in with just a blending brush, and then I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges very slightly. I don't want to move around the shadow a lot. And that's it. I don't want to apply any eyeliner just because I want to see by itself how it wears. I did do this look like last night and I did wear eyeliner, and it was fine. I just want to let it alone by itself, and then I'll let you guys know how it wears throughout the day. I'm just going to apply some mascara though, and this is just the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. And that's it for the mini eye tutorial. I am going to get back on this camera like at the end of the day, just to tell you like an initial final thoughts review on how it wore throughout the day. Okay guys, so it's a little after 6. I'm actually going to be going somewhere, so I thought I'd just film now. I did the look this morning, probably around 10 a.m. I want to say, 10 or 11 a.m. So, final thoughts. I thought that the eyeshadows stayed really well. Pigment is still great, still glittery and everything. There was, I wanted to mention, there was no fallout when I was applying it, but when I went in, you know, I was talking in the little mini tutorial that I had put in, that when I waited for it to dry and I blended out in the crease and in the corner just a little bit so there wasn't any harsh edges, there was a little bit of fallout, but it wasn't that much. It was just a sparkle here and there, and so I just clean my face before I went on with my foundation and stuff. So just like, I'm just looking in my mirror to really see, it still looks very good. I don't really have any bad things to say about it, but it's going pretty good. I think it stayed really well. It's been like 5+ hours since I applied it, so yeah, no complaints. Other than that, it's great. I would totally recommend it. It is really easy too for applying it and working with it. It's not like a hard product to use or anything. So yeah. Okay, that's it for the video. I will link a URL down below for this product where you can buy it. And I'm also going to mention Lindsay Rem's video. I really liked her tutorial. It was really simple and it was using this like red glitter shade. So I'm going to link down her video below as well in the description box. And if you're interested, check it out. And that's it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.